As a child, I see success as getting a good grade in school, learning to ride a bike, or winning a game. The sense of accomplishment I feel when I accomplish something I set out to do can be a significant indicator of success. In a nutshell, success is about finishing something I start. I often seek approval and praise from parents, teachers, and peers. Being recognized for my efforts, whether it's a drawing I have made, a story I wrote, or an act of kindness, can make me feel successful and valued. I often focus on my personal progress and improvement rather than comparing myself to others. Whether it's learning a new skill, understanding a difficult concept, or exhibiting better behavior, I see success as getting better over time. It's essential to remember that the perception of success can vary from one child to another, and nurturing a positive understanding of success can promote healthy development and growth. Encouraging us to set realistic goals, celebrating our efforts, and fostering a growth mindset can help us build a positive outlook on success in life.